Hi everyone, BC here. Today was another red day and I hit my max loss again. That makes it 2 days in a row. Because of that, today's recap isn't really about the trades themselves. It's more about the lessons behind them. After reviewing my trades, it became clear that the losses weren't caused by the strategy itself. The real problem was the quality of setups I chose to trade. The entries I took today didn't fully meet my criteria. My first trade was on RLMD. At the time it had volume, and it was a top gainer, so it caught my attention. But during review, I realized I missed several important signals. The stock was already extended, and it was on its third pullback, and it also had a relative high float over 60 million shares. On 10 seconds chart, there were some topping tails, which suggested the stock might be struggling to break higher. My entry wasn't good. I entered too high, basically at the high of the day. Right after I entered, the stock reversed almost immediately. I tried to exit on the ask, but my order didn't get filled, so I had to bail out on the bid, which made my loss larger than it should have been. My second trade was on OPTX, and honestly, after reviewing it, I realized it was a poorly emotional trade. Even though it happened about 1 hour after the first loss, it was still influenced by frustration. The stock had a huge topping tail and heavy selling volume, which were clear warning signs. But to be honest, there wasn't really a strategy behind that trade. It was just emotional trading, basically gambling. When trades don't work out, it's easy to become frustrated and try to recover quickly. That's when decision-making becomes emotional instead of objective. Instead of waiting for high-quality setups, I ended up forcing trades that didn't actually fit my strategy. And when that happens, the edge disappears. Not much to report here. I hit my max loss. Today's lesson is simple. The strategy didn't fail, discipline did. Low-quality setups often lead to emotional trades, and emotional trading usually leads to losses. If I start feeling frustrated or pressure to trade, the best decision is to step away and protect capital instead of forcing trades. Sometimes it's hard to recognize and admit when frustration is affecting your decisions, but with more experience, those signals become easier to notice. Going forward, the focus is simple. Only trade high-quality setups and maintain discipline, especially after red days. Trading success comes from consistency, discipline, and learning from mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next recap.